Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the "Your account cannot be created at this time" error on iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, try creating your Apple account from a web browser instead of your iPhone. Open Safari or any browser, go to account.apple.com and create your account there. Once it's created, simply sign in on your iPhone. If that doesn't work, try creating the account on another Apple device, such as an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Then sign in on your own device afterward. Next, switch your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try mobile data instead, or connect to a different Wi-Fi network. Also, make sure you're not using a VPN, as it can sometimes prevent Apple from creating new accounts. After that, check your date and time settings. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and make sure the correct date and time are set. Keeping Set Automatically Enabled is recommended. If you're still getting the error, try using a different email address when creating your Apple account. Sometimes the email you're using may be causing the issue. Finally, check Apple's system status page to see if Apple account services are experiencing an outage. If they are, wait until the service is restored before trying again. So that's basically how you can fix the "Your account cannot be created at this time" error on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks!